Well, what is a digital prop? A digital prop is the one that we use in a digital way. That is something that we can touch or interact with it in a physical way. Um, in the first example that we have is from the YouTube channel called Let's Be 11. We can see that the prop he's using is a Kahoot because he is playing with with the subscribers of Twitch. Also, we can see that he's reacting and interacting with the audience with that digital prop that is Kahoot. Well, um, we have the next example that is the one that is from the Wild Project, a great podcast of a great podcast. They're the digital prop they're using is Zoom because it's a podcast. He's interviewing people, so he can't interview them in a physical way. So he uses Zoom as a prop for talking with all the guests of the podcast. Well, what is a physical prop? A physical prop is something that the spectator or the speaker can 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 interact with it in the real life. Okay. For the first example, we have the from the Japan monologue of Franco Escamilla. He's using a microphone because he's using uh, he's telling uh, he's telling a show about his experience in Japan, how of that and all of that sort of thing. So he uses the microphone for the audience hear him correctly and can hear the story. Well, then we have the other example that that we can see is Leonardo DiCaprio in the Django Unchained. So he's using he's interacting with lamp and cigarette, I think, um, for making the his character. That is the bad guy of the movie, but he's a very great character. Do you ask me? Well, that's all of the time we have today. Bye.